Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video. Even with all our technology, our satellites and our super modern labs, nature still keeps its secrets. Today, we're going to discover together 10 natural events that science doesn't fully understand yet. Some are beautiful, some are scary, and some even go against all logic. Stay tuned until the end, because number 10 is probably the most mysterious and dangerous of them all. Phenomenon 1. Ball lightning. Imagine a ball of light floating in a room or over a field, appearing in the middle of a thunderstorm, then disappearing without explanation. This rare event, called ball lightning, has been seen throughout history, but scientists still can't explain how it forms or why it lasts for several seconds, unlike regular lightning. Phenomenon 2. The mysterious sounds of the oceans. In 1997, microphones placed at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean picked up a scary noise, which they called the bloop. The sound was so strong that it could be heard for thousands of miles. Some thought it was a giant, unknown creature. Others thought it was moving ice. But no clear explanation has ever been found. Phenomenon 3. Morning glory clouds. In Australia, some people get to see a unique sight. Huge, cylinder-shaped clouds hundreds of miles long, moving across the sky at high speed. These morning glory clouds mostly show up at dawn, but how they actually form is still a mystery. Phenomenon 4. Volcanic lightning. When a volcano erupts, it shoots out a huge column of ash and gas. Sometimes, this mass gets charged with electricity and creates a lightning storm worthy of an apocalyptic movie. It's spectacular, but still not understood. Scientists know electricity is involved, but not why some eruptions cause this and others don't. Phenomenon 5. Antarctica's blood falls. In the ice of Antarctica, a bright red waterfall flows from a glacier, making it look like it's bleeding. For a long time, researchers thought it was just a trick of the eye or algae. Now we know it's linked to iron-rich water trapped for millions of years. But how this exact process has kept going remains a mystery. Phenomenon 6. Auroras on other planets. On Earth, the northern lights are already amazing. But on Jupiter or Saturn, they are even more powerful, visible even from space. Their brightness is so strong that researchers don't fully understand how these planets create such a massive show. Phenomenon 7. Rocks that move on their own. In Death Valley, USA, heavy rocks seem to move mysteriously, leaving long trails on the ground behind them. For decades, no one understood how. Today, ice and wind are suspected, but the phenomenon is still surrounded by unanswered questions. Phenomenon 8. Fish rain. Yes, you heard that right. In some parts of the world, like Honduras, it literally rains fish after strong storms. Science thinks that tornadoes suck fish out of rivers or lakes before dropping them, but this event is still extremely rare and amazing. Phenomenon 9. The Hessdalen lights. In Norway since the 1930s, people have regularly seen mysterious glowing balls floating above the Hessdalen Valley. They appear without warning, change color, then disappear. Researchers are still looking into it, but no clear explanation has been confirmed. Phenomenon 10. Rogue waves. Imagine yourself in the middle of the ocean, and suddenly, a giant wave 20 to 30 meters high appears out of nowhere, taller than a building. These waves, called rogue waves, were long thought to be sailors' tales, until they were filmed and measured. How do they appear so suddenly, even without a storm? Science still doesn't have a clear answer. So now you know 10 natural events that science still doesn't understand. This reminds us that, despite all our knowledge, nature still holds many secrets. Tell me in the comments, which of these events fascinates you the most? And if this video surprised you, don't forget to like, share, and especially subscribe so you don't miss anything. See you very soon for a new unusual discovery.